In this video, we are going to create this shine effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure that you have your clip set on the timeline, and in Effects we need to search for the Edge Detect. Just double click on it to apply it. Now, holding Alt, you can duplicate your footage on the second layer. Select the first one and delete the effect. Now we are left only with track 2 having the effect. Now select layer number 2 and enable Edge Mask Overlay. You can clear up the effects so we will have more workspace, and let's jump into Fusion. Let's make space for working, and we need to drag a mask. Now just connect it. We're halfway there, so let's customize this mask. I will stretch it a little bit and rotate it to fit our needs. With Ctrl key, you can zoom in and zoom out. The other option is to navigate all the way in the upper left corner and change the percent of the view, so you will have more working space. Let's soften the edge about 0.6. This looks great. Our next step is to move the mask on the side so it will not be visible in our frame. Put the playhead at the beginning of our clip and navigate to the inspector panel in center and add a keyframe. Just go a couple of frames forward and now drag our mask all the way on the opposite side. Just make sure to be straight line, like this. After this, move the playhead couple of frames forward and add one more keyframe. Let's repeat the process. Go couple of frames forward as well and move your mask. Move the playhead couple of frames forward and also add one more keyframe. I promise we are near the end, so let's do the same thing, couple of frames forward, and we need to move our mask approximately to the center, but it's up to your liking. This will be our last keyframe, so move the playhead couple of frames forward as shown and move the mask all the way out of our frame. And we are done keyframing. Now let's navigate to spline and select this little triangle. Highlight all of the points and press either S or this curve to make it smooth motion. Now let's preview our smooth animation. This looks pretty cool, right? Let's go to the Edit tab, and if I play, we have the effect that we wanted, the shine effect. But let's bring it to another level. Make sure that our track is selected. Now let's navigate the part where our shine is on top of our logo. It should be around here. And navigate to the inspector panel. Over here we need to select different mode. Instead of RGB, let's change it to grayscale. And let's play it back. I think this looks way better. So tell me what do you think down in comments. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.